Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your account details so the cancellation goes to the right subscription. Sign in to the Siriusxm app or website using your username or email and password. This verifies ownership. Once signed in, make sure you can view billing or account settings. This is where cancellation controls live. If you used a third-party sign-up such as iTunes or a carrier, pause here and locate that billing source because you must cancel through that provider instead. Once ready, proceed to the subscription area. You'll now navigate to billing or subscriptions and find the active plan entry. This is the control center for changes. Tap Manage or View Details, then choose Cancel or End Trial. Siriusxm will show a confirmation flow explaining when service stops and any prorated charges or holds. Read the cancellation reason options and pick one. They're used for internal analytics. After confirming, note the effective end date and check for a confirmation email or on-screen reference number. Make sure you finish by verifying cancellation. Check your inbox for the confirmation email and take a screenshot of the final screen. This proves the request. If your subscription billed through Apple, Google Play, or a third party, cancel inside that store instead because Siriusxm can't terminate those charges. If you later see an unexpected charge, contact Siriusxm support and provide your confirmation number and transaction dates. They can trace billing. If you still face issues, request escalation and keep polite, concise records of every step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.